Hey everyone, it's Brianna, and this video is going to be about the 5 things that I do to stay motivated during the work week. I know it's really hard when you're working from home to kind of stay motivated and focused, and so I thought it would be fun or motivational to kind of share my tips that I use when trying to stay focused during the work week. So I wrote it down on a list, so I may look down a little bit, and you also may hear my dog going crazy in the background, so apologize for that. Also, this is a twist out that I did on Sunday. No, I did this twist out Monday, and today is Friday, and it's still looking pretty nice. So if you have any questions or want me to do a video on that, leave a comment down below, but I'm really just going to jump right into it. So the first thing that is, I think, pretty self-explanatory, but a lot of people don't do it, is to get ready for the day. So if you don't do anything else, get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, and get in the mindset of like, okay, I'm getting up, I have to be presentable for myself, and kind of wake up and get into the mindset of working. I know when I kind of just roll over, open my computer and start working, I feel like I don't give myself enough time to really get into the mindset of doing my work. And so I think giving myself that extra time to just get myself together kind of gets me in the right headspace of, okay, I'm going to start doing business and get myself together. The second thing is to plan my day out, whether that's a to-do list or kind of adding extra things, which I'm going to talk about later, that are fun or kind of incentives to keep doing your work. It's really important to kind of know how you plan on structuring your day, so you know when it's going to end, as opposed to having kind of real abstract ideas of, I want to get all of my emails taken out, or I want to do all of the discovery that I have, without really knowing what that means and how much time that's going to take. So if you say, you know, I'm going to work on emails for an hour, I'm going to go to the gym for an hour, and I'm going to, you know, make sure that I don't eat any crap and kind of make a meal when I'm hungry. Obviously that's not the whole day, but that's just an example of kind of making sure that you allot time to the things that you know that you need to do, and to be realistic about what you have for the day. The next thing is kind of, I touched on it a little bit, but adding something that you look forward to. So if I really enjoy doing YouTube videos, which I do, then I add on my list at like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or, you know, whatever times. 7 o'clock is usually about the time that I end up filming these videos. But at 7 o'clock, I'm going to film my YouTube video. So I'm going to do work until then. So I have something, you know, to look forward to that I want to do for fun that's not work related. And that kind of gets me into the mindset of like, okay, well, I'm going to have something to do that's fun. And it's just, you know, gives you a little bit more pep when you're doing your actual work. And the fourth thing is kind of my preference, but I understand other people have other preferences, is to do my emails first. As soon as I, you know, wash my face, brush my teeth, sit down, you know, get a cup of coffee, whatever, I like to kind of scroll through my emails, look through my emails, see if there's anything that's urgent for today, whether someone needs help with something, or whether it's, you know, just checking to see, okay, I've gotten 6 emails about this topic, or something that may jog your memory of something that you have to do, so you want to do that first. It's really helpful in kind of helping you plan out your day, because you may have a plan and then you read your emails and realize that you have to do some other stuff before that. So it really helps you get into the headspace of kind of dealing with certain things. Also, some of the emails are really easy, quick responses, whether it's someone saying, hey, can I send out this check? Or, hey, can you look at this before I send it out? Those are quick, easy things that you can do that don't require much time, that still get done and kind of get you into the headspace of like, okay, I got some stuff checked off early on, before doing the rest of the heavy lifting that you may have to do for work. And the last thing is have a system. So for me, it's really important to not only plan out my day, but have a system of checking to make sure that I was efficient that day, knowing what needs to be done, and keeping track of everything. So it's nice that my to-do list says check emails, you know, answer all of my answers and grounds of defense for my cases, call clients back who've left voicemails, and things like that. But that's not giving you a system of how to answer it. So for me, when I check my emails, the ones that I'm able to answer immediately, I answer those, leave them unread, or leave them read. And the ones that kind of take more work but need to be done quickly, I flag them and do those first. And then the other things that, you know, aren't as important, I just leave them unread, but I know that I need to get to them at some point, whether it's today, tomorrow, or when I have time later in the week, if it's something that's months and months ahead in my like list of things to do. So I think kind of keeping that sort of mindset of like, okay, if it's important, it's flagged, and keeping my head kind of in that, you know, mindset, then I'm like, okay, I know that these are the things that I need to do. I can quickly scroll through everything and see like, okay, I have 4 flagged things. Let me do those. Let me knock those out first. And then kind of going throughout the day and knowing like, I don't have any unread emails, so that means I did everything that I needed to do. As opposed to like, let me go through these. Did I do everything I was supposed to do here? Because that ends up wasting time and you're not as effective. So hopefully this video was helpful. You learned something. You can leave your comments down below to help me and to help other people who are working from home kind of stay motivated. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.